August 22nd, 2023. I'm out on my deck. I wanted to, just as soon as I got out here, the cicadas kind of dimmed down their volume, but I wanted to record how loud they are. I'm out by the pool. Yes, indeedy. Getting to be the end of summer. And my summer has been pretty good. I've enjoyed it. And these cicadas, sometimes they get pretty dang loud. I'm on the swing, that's why you see the rocking back and forth. But yes, sir. There's something melancholy about the sound of the cicadas in August. The harbinger, I like that word, the harbinger of fall. The sweet, sweet end of summer. There they go. There they go. You can hear them now, can't you? Don't know why sometimes they get so loud. Maybe it's just like a chain reaction, you know, one starts, the other starts, but yeah. Wonder if this is a bumper year for cicadas because of all the wet weather we had a couple weeks ago. Rained a lot. But okay, that's enough of this. I'll be watching this. Hopefully in December, maybe I'll get a little warmer, maybe January or February, even more so. Been a nice summer for the pool. Once we finally got this leak figured out, been great since then. All right, this is old Mikey signing off. Bye.